Hey guys, Tim Burkhart with Green Industries here. We are out here at the Anne Arundel County Fairgrounds for our second Green Industries experience. It's a rainy, wet day, but we're doing it nonetheless. I'm here with Jeremy from Toro, and I just wanted to go over the new GrandStand HDX. It's their new 72-inch large frame heavy duty mower in their lineup, and I just wanted to see what's different about it, what's new.
The HDX, it's a GrandStand on steroids. For those guys that want big soccer fields, they love standing up, but they want to do the big open areas. This machine's, you got to save them a lot more time. So it's got 2 more mile-an-hour speeds than our standard GrandStand. It's got 24-inch tires, take some of that bump out. A little bit longer frame, so you're gonna take some of those bumps as well out. Just a beast of a machine. It offers a 72-inch deck, where prior to that we only offered a 60-inch deck. We're gonna have engine options for 31 horsepower Cowies and a 37 Vanguard. So just to put it in simple terms, it's a GrandStand on steroids. Yeah.
What's neat about this engine? This right here that we're looking at is a 37 Vanguard. What's different about that versus the Kawasaki?
Yeah, well, the biggest thing is if you got a lot of crews and you don't do a lot of, if you do a lot of maintenance and the guys aren't checking oil, you got a 5-quart backup right here. Basically, you got your standard oil in the engine, but you got a 5-quart reservoir right there. It's going to keep the oil 20% cooler, so you're going to have extended life there. They're saying oil changes every 500 hours, so it's got a lot of benefits, especially when you got a lot of crews and you got a lot of things juggling and you can't keep track of. This engine is going to be the right one for you on that.
What kind of maintenance should we expect with this kind of unit? Are there any grease fittings that we need to worry about?
There's very few grease fittings. They're kind of going away with it. Spindles are now greaseless. They've done studies on that. Very little maintenance period on this at all. It's a machine that's really built for getting it up and running and going. So,
Are they the same hydraulic pumps that are in the regular GrandStand?
No, they're actually bumped the pumps from a 10cc pump to a 13cc pump.
Wow, that's
huge. Due to the fact that you've got a bigger machine, you want to go faster.
That's awesome. Yeah. We love these units in our shop. We've sold several of them. I just wanted to, get your perspective on it. And
I think it's a fantastic machine. I almost make me want to go back into mowing again, Tim. I mean, it's been one of them great machines. I personally think if guys love stand-ons, both of them have their place. You have your weekly jobs where you want a light footprint, smaller jobs. You can sip fuel with our standard GrandStands, our EFI engines. But if you have your big jobs that you want to really knock down really quick, you have rough terrain, things like that, this thing really shines there. So if you like stand-on, we have one for every option now.
Yeah, I never knew what HDX stood for. Is it heavy duty extreme, or am I making that up?
That's a great question. You're the first person to ask
heavy
me
duty extreme is what it stands for.
There you go. Sounds good.
All right. Well, I appreciate you being here.
No, hopefully that answers your question.
Absolutely. I appreciate you being here. We had a pretty good turnout, and this has been great. I appreciate your support.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.